Madala-dala ako matigil sa kanya sa ilutan, ano? Okay. Which city did Mary and Joseph travel to for the census? Ulitin ko ang pangalawa. Which city did Mary and Joseph travel to for the census? Mahiling pilihan kasi trivia. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Judea. Bethlehem. Sister Maria, Sister Presi, 1. Ay, hindi pa po. Ang ibig sabihin, nakasalo ka ng answer. Tama. Okay, pagtatlo. Okay, next question. Para sila lang nila, no? How many miles did Mary and Joseph have to travel to get to Bethlehem? Sige. Baka nalalamig yan.